Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Today I was going to go over the periodic maintenance of your slide out if you have one on your RV, and which includes RV trailers. You want to do this anytime you think that there's some noise, grinding, anything going on, or at least once a year. Or once, which would be before use in the season. And the first thing you want to do is get a dry cloth and wipe off any debris. In my case, I went to the slide out rails and they were pretty clean. My particular slide out has a top and a bottom on each side of it. So I'm going to show you spraying the outside when the slide out's out from my bedroom, and then bring the slide out in and hit it one more time. It's recommended that you use a dry lube that's not going to attract dirt and other things like that, and that you operate the slide out, edit that out, and that you bring the slide out in and out several times to make sure it's properly lubed. In my case, I didn't think there was any issue. There was only a little bit of noise. Didn't sound bad, but after I lubed it up, which you'll see in the video here, it actually then became nice and quiet. So, enjoy. So. So I brought the bedroom slide in. You can see basically takes that bed, it basically takes the mattress that's cut in half, folds it on top automatically, and you can see the slide down there. Yeah, I might have 6 inches, 4 inches to play with. I'm not going to screw with it right now. I did the outside, now I'm going to do the inside of this top and bottom of those metal rails. So there you have it, just that easy. They do make some, I think, 3-in-1 slide out lube, especially for it. That's what I'm going to buy in the future. This particular one is just a dry lube that I picked up at AutoZone, which I mentioned in a previous episode. So I hope you learned something. And remember to lube that slide out. Y'all take care.